welcome to this latest edition of Teju Ki Pathshala on Study with Sudhir YouTube channel, your digital classroom. My name is Tejaswini Uma Sudhir. I was going through my DMs on Instagram and one question जो लगातार दिख रहा था, it was एक ही महीने हैं बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए and I don't know what is the timetable I should be following. What was the timetable you followed when you wrote your board exams? I have one very basic question to ask. Do we really need a timetable? Timetable is for what? It is so that you are conscious that this is the time that is given and you are supposed to utilize that time is the the reason why a timetable is made. But very often we get restricted by the same timetable. We start searching for excuses. बहाने ढूंढने लगते हैं हम. What I do is that I create a to-do list. What you need to start doing is that creating a to-do list for your day. Ideally, what you should do is that before you sleep, right before you sleep, what you should be doing for the next day, you need to plan your day that okay fine, these are the things I need to do in the day. These are my goals for the day. It is not restricted by okay fine at this time you need to do this. You just need to do this by the end of the day tomorrow before you go to sleep. All your goals should be completed, should be ticked. The next question must have come to your mind is that how do I make my to-do list and how can I make my to-do list effective? One thing that you must keep in mind while making your to-do list is that you should never be over ambitious. One mistake I used to make when I started making to-do list many years ago was that I used to write some 20 things on my to-do list that मैं ये भी कर दूँगी, हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर फिनिश कर दूँगी, 2 चैप्टर फिजिक्स में कर दूँगी, वो प्रोजेक्ट जो एक हफ्ते बाद था वो भी मैं आज ही फिनिश कर दूँगी. I used to be very over ambitious and कुछ होता नहीं था and that used to lead to disappointment at the end of the day. But that doesn't mean that you have only 3 things in your to-do list and एक घंटे में you finish all the 3 things and you're like okay fine I'm done for the day. I finish everything on my to-do list. ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. But think of the amount of time allocated to you, how much of time you have, and accordingly make the to-do list. As I said, make the to-do list the previous day itself, previous night before you go to sleep. Think, plan for your next day. And suppose you go to school and then you come back and you have homework, add them to your to-do list. What you end up doing is that you have more time in your hands, you realize, because you it's like a goal, right? You are like okay fine, I need to finish these things, I have these things to finish, because of which you work towards that. Even if you have little time somewhere in between, suppose you have a free period, you are like okay fine, ये half an hour है मेरे पास, मैं ये काम खत्म कर दूंगा, तो one thing is ticked in your to-do list. What a timetable does is that it restricts the time you have, whereas a to-do list, it gives you an opportunity, it makes you search for opportunities to utilize your time. It actually ends up making you use your time better, and that is why I feel a to-do list is much more effective than a timetable. Timetable is something others make for you. Timetable where have you heard of a timetable? A timetable is given in school where okay fine, you have classes from this time to this time and these are the classes you have through the day. Whereas a to-do list is something you make for yourself, it is for yourself. So do let me know in the comment section if you have started making your to-do list and making your time more productive and useful. Do like, share and subscribe to Study with Sudhir YouTube channel. Until we meet in the next video, goodbye.